Hello and namaste everyone, myself Nilesh Shah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we have completed with the tutorial of our ETAP series. And in this video what we will see is, after we have done all the analysis, after we have got all the forces, all the reactions acting on our beams, columns and other structures, today we will see how to get report from ETABS, how to print report from ETABS. Report means the ready-made report that ETABS gives to us about all the details about all the properties that you have assigned, about beams, columns, their properties, and about your grids, about your story height and everything. And after analyzing, you have got some forces, loads on your footings, on your beams, columns, and model mass ratio, everything. I've already shown you that how to find the table of such reactions. And today now we will see how to print the report from ETABS, how to get the detailed report from the ETABS. Now that we have checked our model and we have run our analysis, what we will see is how can we get the reports from ETABS about all the details of our building, analysis, design, everything. Okay, so you can directly get the reports from here also, or you can go to file, and here what you can see is create report. In this create report you will see show project report, show summary report, and add new user report. In show project report you will get all the details from the ETABS, and show summary report that you will get some highlighted report, and in add new user report you can create the report with new name, but I'll show you how to get that. In show project report we have got the project report here. So what you can see is, you will see every sort of things here. You can see the list of tables. Okay, so in list of tables you can see every sort of thing that about structure data, about all their properties, assignments, loads, load patterns, analysis results. So whatever you have done in ETABS you will get everything here. And how many pages? 122 pages. So point results, model results, everything you can get here. Okay, so you can see this. And if you want to navigate, if you want to navigate to any portion there, you can go to here's the cover page. So you can, suppose you want to go to loads. In loads you want to go to functions. Okay, so when you double click on it you will go to the functions, so you can navigate every portion, any topic from here. Similarly in analysis report, if you want to go in structure results, suppose, then double click here and you will go to analysis results, that structure results here, everything, and every output cases that we have got in show tables. Okay, so in this way you can get the reports. And here at the top of your report viewer window you can find some options. Here go to the first page, go to the previous page, go to the next page, go to the last page, and here you can see which page you are viewing out of how many pages. So this is how you can zoom your page. You can select from here fit page, or how many percentage of that particular page do you want to view on your screen. So you can select from there, and here you have print report option. From here you can print your report from ETABS, and this is the export to Word document. So from here you can export your report to your Word document. Here I have exported it, and now I will save it here. And once it is saved, now you can go there and view your report in Word document. And if you want to regenerate your report, then you can select this option here, regenerate report. In this way you can export your report to your Word, and you can print your report from ETABS. And in summary reports, in summary reports what you will get is, you will get the summarized version. In summary report you can see that was the project report, and this is the summary report. In summary report you have got only 52 pages. In 52 pages, what are the things that you have got is the list is here, so you can navigate from here. Suppose we want to go in the base reactions, so here we have the base reactions, so you can either directly see the result from show tables, or you can get the report from etabs. So in this way you can get the project report and summarized report. And if you want to get a report for new user, then you can go to add new user report, and in this option, suppose report name etabs analysis by Nilesh. Suppose I give this one, and what things you want to include. If you want to include cover page, then tick yes. If you want to include the table of contents, list of figures, and list of tables, then include yes. And if you want to exclude anything, just untick this. Okay, so in this way you can get whatever you want. Here in the load combinations, which load combination you want. Suppose you want envelope. Here multi-step output in envelope. So only used in model. Yeah. And load patterns, you will get all load patterns from here. In load cases, all except model cases. And in load combination, select which load combination you want. If you want every load combination, then select all. And if you want any particular load combination, suppose you want load combination 7, then select this only. Or if you want envelope, then select envelope only. And if you want all modes, select all modes. Otherwise, which mode do you want, from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, or only 1, so you can select there also. In this way you can select what thing you want. And this is the general. And in definition means what things that you have defined in your report, what things you want there. Story, data, grid system, point coordinates, everything you will get there. Whatever you tick here, you will get in the report. Assignment means here is a summary means you will get the summarized assignments of whatever you have assigned in your building. In output what things you are getting: base reaction, centers of rigidity, diaphragm, center of mass displacements, displacement, drift, shears, yeah, everything that you are getting. Okay. In design, steel frame, composite beam, composite column, shear wall, yeah, we don't have these things, so these are unchecked here. Okay, so in this way you can select how to create your user report. Now you can give your report name here only. Now create it. After creating, you can see that the report has been created with a username that you have provided there, and what things you want. See here, the report name is etabs analysis by Nilesh. Okay, and here you can see all the data, summarized data or anything, all the 67 page results you can see there. You can navigate from here also. Here you have got another option, etabs analysis by Nilesh. So earlier there were only two: project report, summary report, and now you have got etabs analysis by results. So when you click here, suppose you want assignments. In assignments, go to, suppose you want frame assignments, you will go to frame assignments. In frame assignments, you can see the different data here: story, label, unique name, design type, length, analysis, everything you have got here. Okay, so in this way you can get the project report from etabs. Report of definition, report of assignments, report of analysis, result of report of design, everything you will get here. So in this way you can get the report from etabs. Okay, so thank you for now. I'll be coming with other videos also, so stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you, and yes, please subscribe my channel.